So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write longer answer questions and set them up ready to feedback remotely from home rather than having to print out documents and then annotate them and so on. So what I've got here is a Lord of the Rings assessment, because why not? And it's going to be a mix of short answer and longer answer questions. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add a video. And I'm going to do it by URL because I've trawled and I have found Aragorn's battle speech here. So I'm going to paste the link here. And yep, that's the video I want. And I'll title it Aragorn's battle speech. It's only a minute or so video, and it basically means it becomes part of the assessment is to watch the video and then answer questions on it. So I'm going to go question 1. As before, I'm going to label it question 1, and I'm going to add a description, and the description is going to be what was one of Aragorn's other titles, or let's just go with what was one of Aragorn's titles, because he had many. Aragorn, obviously, his name, and I'm going to make that a short answer. I'm not going to make it multiple choice. I'm going to expect them to have read the book and answer the question. So that's the first question. And then question 2 is going to be a paragraph, a longer answer. And I'm going to add a description again. And the description is going to be the actual question, which is, this is the prelude to the battle at the Black Gates. They knew they had no chance of winning the battle. Why did they still fight? And I'm going to do the spelling, obviously. And it's a longer answer text. I'm going to make it a required question. So there's the basic quiz. I'm going to make that one a required question as well, because I don't want anyone leaving it blank. And then I am going to go to settings. I'm going to collect email addresses like I did before. I'm going to restrict to SBL students, and I'm going to limit to 1 response so they can only do 1 answer. And then I am going to make this a quiz like I did before, and I'm going to go back to, I'm going to release the mark later after a manual review because I've got a longer answer question in there. So I'm going to save that. So now when I go to the question, I can click on answer key, and I'm going to add a title was King of Gondor, or Isildur's heir. And what I'm not going to do is mark all other answers as incorrect, because there could be other spellings. It doesn't like Isildur's at all here. There could be other spellings, there could be other titles, Ranger of the North, so on. There's many, many, many ways that he's described in the books. So I'm not going to mark as incorrect if it's not that, and I'm going to make this a 1-point answer, and that's done. The longer answer, answer key. It doesn't let me put an answer key because, of course, it's a longer answer. There's no way I could type the correct answer if it's a paragraph piece, but I'm going to make it a 5-mark question nonetheless and hit done. And now all that's left for me to do is to get the link and send that out in Insight or Google Classroom or Google Slides or all of the above, and we will be able to watch the video, answer the questions, longer answer here, 1 point, 5 point, 6 points altogether, and job done. Once I've got some answers in, I'll then show you how to mark